there's more cost than I'd like to admit to repair and replacement. You got your obvious costs, your equipment, your parts, that kind of thing. But things like labor, insurance, fuel, licensing, the gas for the torches, all the copper fittings. I mean, there's so much that goes into it in the background that it does add up quick on our end. So there's a lot of costs that are involved beyond your standard parts and labor. But we build all of those into one upfront clear price so that there's no surprises. No matter what the repair is, no matter if it takes a little longer or a little quicker, whatever it is, you're quoted a price, and that's the price that you pay. Period. There's no hidden fees. There's no oops, we forgot that. All costs that are incorporated in that, it's one price up front with no hidden fees.